is o, which is translated to kana. Kana. Okay, let's do some examples. To be or not to be. The Shona translation, kuva kana kusava. To be is kuva or kana. Not to be kusava. Hope that's clear. Next example. What do you want, bread or rice? Unodei chingwa kana mupunga. What do you want? It gets translated to one word. Unodei. Unodei. Bread, chingwa, or which is kana, rice.